Hi ladies and gents, I'm getting ready to make some potato salad, and I already have my potatoes right here, and I've put salt in the water. I've cut up or diced up 5 small potatoes, and I'm going to start them to boiling. I have my water boiling over here for my eggs. These are my eggs, and as you can see, the water is boiling right here. So I always boil my water first, and then I'm gonna put 1 egg in, ease it in the water at a time, and let it boil for about 12 to 15 minutes. Hello ladies and gents. This is the finished product of the potato salad. This is 5 diced up boiled potatoes and 5 eggs. And I added a teaspoon of sliced pimento, and I chopped it up. I added a teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a couple of tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and probably about 4 tablespoons to start of the real mayo, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and this is what I use. I love the sweet salad cubes in my salad, in my tuna salad, chicken salad, potato salad, and I finely chopped 2 stalks of green onion, and it is on and popping. It is delicious, y'all. So just season to your liking. You know when you have enough mayo in it, or enough mustard or salt or pepper or whatever, just season to your liking, and I know it will be good. This is Patti's Southern Kitchen. As always, I appreciate each and every one of you. I love you all, and I will talk to you on the next video. It is some delicious. Bye now. Hey ladies and gents, I had to come back because I forgot to tell you that I added a teaspoon of white granulated sugar. I had to tell you. So please subscribe, like, share, put that thumb up, and tap that notification bell, please. And I will see you on the next video. Bye.